Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to spawn copper golems. First, gather the necessary materials to craft your golem. These charming little automatons are a fun addition to your world, offering unique interactions. They will wander around, occasionally pressing copper buttons. Let's get started on bringing one to life in your game. To craft a copper golem, you'll need 3 copper ingots and 1 carved pumpkin. Copper ingots are easily acquired by smelting raw copper ore. You can find raw copper deep underground in various biomes. Once you have your ingots, carve a pumpkin by using shears on a regular pumpkin. These are the core components for your new companion. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Find an open space and place 3 copper ingots on the ground in a T-shape. This forms the golem's body. Next, take your carved pumpkin and place it directly on top of the middle copper ingot. As soon as the pumpkin is placed, your new copper golem will spring to life, ready to explore. Your copper golem will gradually oxidize, changing its color and texture. There are 4 stages of oxidation, from shiny copper to fully verdigris. To prevent further oxidation, simply use a honeycomb on your golem. If you prefer its earlier look, an axe can scrape off the oxidized layers, bringing back its original luster. Enjoy your new friend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.